you join us now that we're into full build of the V12 engine that we stripped some time ago, and everything's now been prepared for reassembly. So we're now just dropping the last of the new liners in, which has got a proprietary bead of sealer around it so that when it's pressed down it just seats and tries to make sure that the water doesn't seep past the liner to the oil galleries. You'll notice that we've got these hold down plates on all of the liners. This is basically so that when we are assembling it with the pistons and conrods and turning the crank, we're not potentially sliding the liner, which they can do. So that will hold it in place during all of that pre-assembly sort of build. Okay, we shall now assemble the last liner. There's not an excessive amount of pressure needed on these, and again positioned just right so that the pistons and rings can get past. Okay, we shall move to the next stage.